2018 Lexus LS 500 review. Bold, aggressive and distinctly Japanese in features, the LS 500 is traditional Lexus underneath. Don't allow sharp angles and bold style fool you. The 2018 Lexus LS 500 is traditional Lexus throughout. A comprehensive redesign inside, outside and underneath places the LS once more in the same rear as recently updated large luxury sedan designs from Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz and Volvo. The cushioned ride and whisper-quiet interior were made to pamper, along with the cutting-edge tech delivers increased driver safety. The LS 500 reminds you that Europe is no lock on world-class luxury. The new 5th generation Lexus LS 500 is longer, lower and wider than its predecessor, the LS 460, with a brand new coupe-like profile which makes it look slimmer plus much more lithe. No small feat for just a car that weighs over £5,000. A new suspension design yields sportier handling, but we use the term loosely. This is, first, an extra sedan better suited to arcing through turns than attacking them. An all-new turbocharged V6 engine delivers more horsepower versus the outgoing model. Also it pairs which is a quick-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. The new LS 500's longer wheelbase, longer even in contrast to the earlier extended model, ensures a cabin roomy enough to cosset weary leaders of industry or perhaps just visiting in-laws, specifically when you spring to the seats with as many as 28 separate adjustments. Even a base model LS 500 incorporates enough appointments to fulfill most buyers, but those which are more discerning eye can go for enhancements, say for example a lowering suspension to relieve entry and exit, advanced driver safety aids, along with an audiophile-grade audio system. What's new? The 2018 Lexus LS 500 is redesigned and all new. Choosing an LS 500 is not difficult. There's one well-appointed trim level using a handful of options and option packages. Although 28-way adjustable seats and adjustable air suspension sound nice, forego those options and instead spring to the spectacular stereo audio upgrade $1,940 along with the safety system plus a package $3,000, which adds many useful driver assistance features. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Lexus LS 500 is really a full-size luxury sedan with seating for 5 passengers. It comes in just one well-appointed trim level which has a handful of standalone options and options packages. Even without one particular option, the LS 500 comes full of the safety and comfort features you'd expect in this class. A hybrid version is reviewed separately. Standard equipment about the LS 500 is extensive and begins using a twin-turbocharged 3.5-litre V6 engine, 416 horsepower, 442 pound-feet of torque paired to your 10-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, all-wheel drive is optional. Highlights include 19-inch wheels, an adaptive suspension, LED headlights, a sunroof, a hands-free trunk, power closing doors, leather upholstery, power adjustable heated and ventilated front seats, a heated leather-wrapped tire, magnesium paddle shifters, 16-way power adjustable heated and ventilated front seats, and also a power rear sunshade. Technology features will include a 12.3-inch color display, a navigation system, a trackpad-style interface, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Lexus Inform smartphone app integration, Inform emergency and convenience services, Bluetooth as well as a 12-speaker sound system. Finally, standard driver aids such as a rear-view camera, front and back parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, forward collision warning, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams and rain sensing wipers. The LS 500 is usually further tailored in your taste, having a comprehensive options list. The interior upgrade package adds leather upholstery with quilted stitching, 28-way power-adjustable driver seat, and heated rear seats, among other pursuits. The luxury package adds a 28-way adjustable seat for your passenger, 18-way adjustable and reclining rear seats, 4-zone climate control, power rear side sunshades, an armrest-mounted touchscreen controller for climate and seat functions, and rear seat knee airbags. Drivers seeking a much more sporting flavor can equip the LS 500 together with the F-Sport package, which adds 20-inch wheels, larger brakes, a retuned suspension, unique styling trim, exclusive leather upholstery, and 28-way power-adjustable seats. The performance package bundles that and adds variable gear ratio steering and rear-wheel steering. The executive package truly transforms the LS 500 into an extra shuttle, adding butterfly rear headrests, individual climate control settings, heated and ventilated rear seats with massaging function, along with an extendable ottoman footrest for the right side rear passenger. The cabin is further touched with hand-pleated trim and stylized glass materials. Additional safety aids come together with the Safety System Plus a package, which adds adaptive cruise and automatic steering that may detect and trace the road of the vehicle in the front, for the semi-autonomous driving experience. Other features include forward cross-traffic alert, road sign recognition, an enhanced head-up display, and also a panoramic rear-view monitor. Notable individual options have an adaptive air suspension, a panoramic sunroof, adaptive LED headlights, upgraded wood trim, and also a premium 23-speaker Mark Levinson speakers. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions that happen to be fundamentally similar. The S on this review depend on our first drive on the 2018 Lexus LS 500 Turbo 3.5 litres V6, 10-speed automatic, AWD. Driving. The new V6 engine's ample power and low-end thrust won't allow you to miss the very last model's V8. Gear changes in the new 10-speed transmission are smooth and imperceptible. Nevertheless, the pedal feels numb and shift solution is slow when more power is required. Handling is stable, neither sporty nor floppy. Comfort. The LS traditionally prioritizes comfort over performance, along with the 2018 model is not any different. The seats give you a dizzying selection of adjustments, with cooling and heating and massage functions. The suspension shrugs off rough roads, plus the cabin can be as quiet as being a tomb. Interior. The low roofline increases the illusion of your smaller car, but there is ample room for 4 passengers. Taller rear passengers will see the headroom tight, though reclining seats help reclaim some of feeling of space. The rear middle seat is way too narrow with an adult, it's actually a 4-passenger sedan. Utility. It offers one with the largest trunks within the class 17 cubic feet, having a wide opening for convenient cargo loading, although its shape narrows at the rear seatbacks. Also, the plentiful small item storage inside causes it to be ideal for longer journeys. Technology. Offers comprehensive pair of driver aids, but adaptive cruise is not as smooth as rival systems. Inform smartphone integration software pales when compared with Apple Android interface is not offered. The large central computer screen is beautiful. Optional Mark Levinson premium speakers is worth the fee.